From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Friday evening. I'm Matt Honig from the Campus Weather Service here with your CNET forecast on what's otherwise been a very mild day across Pennsylvania. Temperatures in many areas getting up into the 70s, even 82 degrees in Erie at this hour. And it is a gorgeous day across the entire state. Lots of sunshine, a little bit of a more local view here in central Pennsylvania. 73 in State College, 76 down toward Altoona, 78 toward the Maryland border near Bedford. And these temperatures will be on the rise for a little bit this afternoon, but then as we head into the evening hours, they will once again fall back, and it's been more of the same forecast the past several days, much in the way of clear skies. Here's a look at Beaver Stadium this morning. The most interesting thing on this, I think, is probably the sunrise that I'm standing in front of. There you go. Now you can see it. Beautiful sunrise over the valley this morning, and then we saw a bit more in the way of some high, thin clouds earlier in the morning. Now just lots of blue sky, and temperatures have warmed up very nicely as well, and across much of the area this afternoon, just lots of blue sky, sunshine galore as we head throughout the entirety of State College. Here's a look at the satellite and radar image this afternoon, and you don't really see much. It looks just like a base map here, and that's pretty much what it is. A little bit of valley fog this morning, but otherwise a mainly clear sky across the Commonwealth this afternoon. And as we zoom out, much the same across the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Dry conditions under this big area of high pressure, as the old adage goes, big bubble, no trouble, and that's what we've been seeing for the past several days. There will be a little bit of trouble, at least in the short range forecast, but I think generally speaking, the next several days are on the dry side. So it's a sunny and mainly dry weekend with high temperatures a good 10 to 15 degrees above average. Normals for this time of year are in the upper 60s and lower 70s. That means we're talking about temperatures near 80 throughout the entirety of the weekend. The tropics have been a bit active as of late as well. That's really the only interesting weather event going on in the United States. What was one point Tropical Storm Imelda has now weakened into just a remnant low, but it brought copious amounts of rain to areas like Houston, near Beaumont, Texas, a little bit to the east of Houston. Some areas picked up close to 40 inches of rain in the past 4 days. That is some incredible rainfall, eerily reminiscent of Hurricane Harvey from just a couple of years ago. And this is certainly an area of the country that does not need to see any more rain. Locally, though, we really can't find any rain whatsoever, and that continues into tonight. Mainly clear skies. There will be a few areas of patchy valley fog, but I think most of us should be rather clear. 54 for a low here in State College. And tomorrow is another bright day for at least a part of Pennsylvania. Starting off tomorrow morning around 10 a.m., much of the area is dry. A few more clouds out towards the west. There's a very weak and moisture-starved system starting to move from west to east tomorrow, and that could touch off a few showers, but even this, what you see here tomorrow afternoon, I think this is a little bit overdone in terms of coverage at least. There could be a few spotty showers, especially along the Laurel Highlands and west, but it stays mainly dry here in State College. Maybe a very brief sprinkle towards sunset, but it dries out overnight, and Sunday is looking like one winner of a weekend day. Lots of sunshine, very warm. Once again, temperatures in the lower 80s for Center County. Our next system moves in on Monday. Another moisture-starved system, but there could be a few areas of showers, especially toward midday into the middle afternoon hours. A bit cooler on Monday as well. Highs only in the middle 70s. Clouds break and clearing commences for Tuesday. Temperatures pretty seasonable in the low 70s, but sunshine returns. It should stay dry Thursday. There is a bit of a weak system trying to be picked up by models, but I don't think much is going to happen with it. Maybe just some scattered cloud cover Thursday. All in all, if you're looking for any rain, you're not going to get it, at least over the next 7 days. That's my forecast for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday.